Welcome to NYC Now, your source for local news in and around New York City from WNYC. It's Tuesday, July 22nd. Here's the morning headlines from Michael Hill.
School districts across New York State have less than 2 weeks to figure out how to ban smartphones from the classroom. WNYC's Jimmy Vielkind reports.
Governor Kathy Hochul says more than 150 school districts have already submitted their plans to separate students from their phones. Each district needs to develop rules about where cell phones will be kept during the school day. Hochul pushed for the measure as part of this year's state budget. She says the state gave districts a model policy to follow and expects everyone will meet the August 1st deadline.
I encourage all the parents to start having conversations with their children this summer. This is going to be like breaking an addiction.
Some school districts already have cell phone bans in place. School leaders in New York City say they will be ready to implement the ban when classes start.
States including New York and New Jersey are suing the Trump administration over new rules that prevent undocumented immigrants from accessing social services. WNYC's Caroline Lewis reports.
The Trump administration issued new guidance earlier this month, blocking undocumented immigrants from accessing federally funded services such as food banks, Head Start programs, and health clinics. Trump officials say the new rules are needed to protect the integrity of public services. But New York and other states argue in their lawsuit not all affected programs can easily check immigration status, and this puts their funding at risk. They also argue the federal government did not follow the proper procedures in implementing the policy change. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services said it does not comment on ongoing litigation.
In other news this morning, federal authorities say they've arrested 2 men in the shooting and attempted robbery of an off-duty Customs and Border Patrol agent. The Department of Homeland Security says it arrested Michael Francisco Mora Nunez on Sunday and accused him of shooting the agent. DHS says it also arrested Christian Abar Baroa yesterday. An agency officials say he drove the moped used in the crime. Attorney information for the 2 men was not immediately available, and federal officials did not specify the charges against them. Police say the agent was relaxing by the Hudson River when 2 men approached and tried to rob him. Officials say the officer is in stable condition in the hospital. 69 and partly sunny, slim chance of late morning showers, mostly sunny and 79. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, 87. Hot on Thursday and Friday.
Thanks for listening. This is NYC Now from WNYC. Catch us every weekday, 3 times a day for your top news headlines and occasional deep dives. And subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. More soon.